again. He has a little foot.
His little foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a hick. Now he's a hick again. He's a hick again. Now you see hick like me. I got the hiccups too.
Do it.
I can. What do you say?
Huh?
What do you say?
Hiccup.
He just put this at me. You're going to look at the baby. Why don't you put this at the baby? Why don't you put this at the baby?